Sleeping on an overnight bus, tips and tricks? Ever wondered how some people manage to sleep soundly through an entire overnight bus ride while you're left tossing and turning? Today, I'm sharing the absolute best hacks and some crucial warnings for actually getting quality rest on a moving bus. This isn't just about grabbing a cheap neck pillow, it's about preparation. First, let's talk gear. A travel pillow and eye mask are non-negotiable, but you need the right kind. Skip the inflatable ones. Invest in a proper memory foam neck pillow. It was a total game changer for me. I remember buying one in Kuala Lumpur a while back, and it was worth every penny. Cheap ones just lead to neck pain. Next, comfort is key. Ditch the restrictive clothing. Think loose, breathable layers. Essentially pajamas, not jeans. And a blanket is mandatory. Bus air conditioning can be notoriously brutal, even in summer. Don't rely on the bus for warmth. Now, the seating strategy. I prefer the window seat. Why? It gives you a solid, stable surface to lean against, which is far better than struggling to stay upright in the aisle. Avoid the very back, where every bump feels amplified, and the very front, which is usually too brightly lit. Noise is the biggest enemy of bus sleep. Noise-canceling headphones are a lifesaver. Load up on white noise or calming ASMR tracks. But if that's out of budget, high-quality earplugs are the next best thing. Finally, a huge warning about sleep aids. Be incredibly cautious. Melatonin is generally fine for a gentle nudge, but avoid anything that will completely knock you out. Trust me, I almost missed a critical stop once because I was too deeply asleep. The mild inconvenience of a rough night's sleep is always better than the panic of waking up miles past your destination. Stick to these tips, and your next long bus journey will feel far less exhausting.